Hi everyone, this is Hollis from SeaMac. In this video, I will introduce
the SINOTRUK-Steyr D12 series of marine engines. SINOTRUK Hangzhou Engine Co. Limited was established in 1958 and is a leading manufacturer of commercial vehicle engines in China. Leveraging the dual technology platforms of Steyr and MAN, the company provides highly reliable and efficient engine products to customers worldwide.
the D12 series marine diesel engine is a new engine
designed and developed jointly with Britain's Ricardo company, based on the classic Steyr WD615 platform. It features high power, compact structure, long life, excellent performance, and good economy, making it an ideal choice for both marine propulsion and auxiliary power applications.
The D12 series offers power coverage from
257 kW to 331 kW, including both propulsion and auxiliary engine models. Minimum fuel consumption as low as 188 grams per kWh. The engine measures 1,751 mm by 947 mm by 1,277 mm and weight approximately 1,200 kg.
the full series adopts inline six-cylinder layout
with output and installation dimensions identical to WD615 marine engines. The integrated turbocharger and dual circulation cooling system make the structure compact and save space.
The D12 series offers two fuel system options, mechanical pump and electronic control pump.
Mechanical pump version, featuring a simple structure and easy maintenance, is suitable for traditional users. The electronic control pump version adopts electronic high-pressure combing wheel technology, enabling more precise fuel injection control and resulting in lower fuel consumption.
Each model of the D12 series
has undergone comprehensive propelling performance bench testing. It demonstrates outstanding power output and fuel efficiency across various rotational speeds and load ranges.
The D12 marine diesel engine is suitable for propulsion and auxiliary power
applications on the following vessel types: yachts, cargo ships, fishing vessels, workboats, and passenger ships.
The standard D12 series of marine engines
comes with the following accessories:
fuel filter, starter motor, flywheel, oil filter, turbocharger.
As a sub-brand of SINOMAC Group, SeaMac specializes in providing comprehensive propulsion and power system solutions for all types of vessels, from high-performance engines and precision gearboxes to robust shafting, propellers, and propulsion systems, and from reliable main generator sets to safe. SeaMac covers the full range of core components. We consistently deliver professional, efficient, and cost-effective customized solutions that precisely meet the unique requirements of diverse vessels.
Thank you for your time with us. Welcome to contact SeaMac at any time.
For more details about our company, products, and services, you are welcome to visit our homepage www.seamac.com.